Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here, and I just found out that I will be getting induced this Sunday, so I have 3 days to get my hair retied. So here's what it's looking like before I put on some All American Homecoming so I can sit down and start the process of retying my hair. And it was more comfortable for me to do it this way because standing up has definitely been a chore since getting this far along in the pregnancy. So this was the second day. I had to run some errands, so I put on a hat and put it back into a ponytail so that I can keep it all out of the way. And this is what I have done so far. This is what I have finished because I ended up taking my kids to the movies, so that's all I have left is that 2 rows there. So then I come back and put on the rest of Homecoming, and I just sit down and I start the process of doing my hair all over again. At this point, I'm happy because I'm dang near done. I'm just trying to go ahead and finish it up. And at this point, the baby just starts kicking like crazy, so that I decided to take a break and get something to eat. But all in all, I finally got it all done for the big day, and I love how it turned out.